Hello, I'm Dave Fellows. I'm the head teacher science at Lake Illawarra High School. At Lake Illawarra, we offer a range of subjects in our junior curriculum. We've got general science, and then we also have marine studies and agriculture. Our senior curriculum includes senior science, biology, chemistry, physics, and marine science. We've rewritten a lot of our curriculum, and now we incorporate a lot of technology and hands-on activities, and try to incorporate as much real-world context as we can. We teach the verbs quite heavily, so the HSC students are prepared for the exam. Your describes, the whole Bloom's taxonomy, up to evaluate and analyze. We use alarm to help the kids break down the questions, first by identifying those verbs and then planning out their response to exam style questions. We started that, I think, about 2 years ago, so hopefully we'll start to see a shift in our band 5s to band 6s and band 4s to band 5s, simply by teaching and focusing on the verbs. We've actually incorporated that right into our junior curriculum. Right from year 7, we're teaching those verbs to prepare the kids for the HSC. Look, we try to embed past HSC exam questions into our daily lessons. So if we've got a lecture or something like that, mid-lecture, if we've addressed a dot point, bang, we'll throw in an HSC exam question and spend 5 minutes. We'll alarm the question in front of the kids, break it down, talk about the verb, and then plan a response together. We do a lot of homework like that as well, so the kids will get a question, a past HSC exam question at the end, and they'll need to work on that and come to class prepared to answer it the next lesson. I think when kids leave Lake Illawarra after doing sciences, we really hope that they've got a sound knowledge and understanding of concepts and ideas in science. We also hope that they walk away being able to work scientifically and work out problems using the scientific method and understand that whole process. We also want the kids to have a better understanding of the world around them. You turn on the news every single night, and something on the news is related to biology. So they've got that background of why things are the way they are, and I think it really sets them up, not just to go to uni to study sciences, but to be a well-rounded person. But if they do want to go to uni, they've got the skills, they've got the knowledge, and hopefully they can be successful at university. There's a number of pathways that students can choose depending on the subjects they take if they want. General tips for HSC students, I would say definitely get a diary, know your timetable well, and plan your days, especially when it's around exam time, so you can plan your study and your preparation to be fully ready for your exams. When the HSC exam schedule comes around, that's a must. That you must organize yourself to be ready for your tests. The Board of Studies has a really good site where you can actually go and download past papers and practice questions. You can see different responses. They've got band 1 to 6 responses that you can see to past questions. Kids actually wrote those. You can, what else? There's a number of books that we like, the dot point books and the Excel books. They're a good way to study. In the dot point books, there's a review section or a recap section. That's a handy thing to have when you want to just quickly review things. A lot of our stuff's online, so we use wikis. So a lot of, like, for example, biology notes and lecture stuff, that's all on a wiki site, so the kids can download that and go through those slides and review and practice. All right, well, good luck in your studies. Remember, planning, it's all about time management. Plan your time effectively, study hard, and enjoy the last few months or terms or whatever you've got left of your HSC, because it will go very quick.